In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dual camera on Snapchat. With your Snapchat, you can use dual camera. At the same time, you can use the rear camera and use the front camera on your Snapchat application. So if I don't know this video, if you find this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use dual camera on Snapchat, all you need to do is open the Snapchat application on your device. And if you can't find the Snapchat application on the home screen or app screen, you can just use the spotlight search and search for Snapchat. Then once the application comes up, you want to click and open it. Now, to use dual camera on the Snapchat application, all you need to do is click on this camera icon on the toolbar. Once you click on that, you see the dual camera comes up. Then you can see we have picture in picture. Then select this. We have the horizontal dual camera and we have the vertical dual camera. So if you ever want to use, just select it. Then you can see we have one camera at the top and there's another camera right here. Then if you click on the dual camera button again to switch it, then you can select the vertical. Then you have one by the side and other by the other side. Then if you click on the picture in picture, then you can see I have the main camera as my rear camera and I have this small camera right here. Now to go out of this dual camera on your Snapchat account, all you need to do is click on the camera icon again, and then your Snapchat will return back to the default camera. Then you can proceed to do whatever you want to do on Snapchat. So this is how you can easily use dual camera on Snapchat. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.